Alright, first thing we're going to do is clean it. Alright, it might bleed some now. That's not too bad.
I don't feel anything.
That's the idea. That is the idea. I think 2 will be just fine, alright? Now, this is the needle.
That's a funny needle.
So it's curved, and you see the thread goes right into the end of it.
Does it?
So that way there's no extra needle or anything to pull through. What was your question?
If that was just string.
It's something like string. It's like your shoelace. It's made out of nylon.
Damn. Put it in yet?
Yep.
Don't feel anything.
Cool. That looks like a fish hook, Luca.
Well, maybe I do feel some bouncing.
Yeah, you'll feel a little bit of tugging and pulling.
Yeah, bouncing.
But you shouldn't feel any hurt.
Yeah.
Feel a little tug?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the flu, do you know the flu shot hurted like for 3 days or 2?
Yeah, I know, so did mine.
Dad, are you getting one?
I got the flu shot already, Luca.
Oh, I thought... Oh, yeah. Now I need to cut it off, right?
Yep, just like that.
Okay. How long will it take to unfreeze?
About 45 minutes to an hour.
When are we going home, Dad?
When we're done here, Luca.
Are you doing 3?
Nope, I'm going to get away with 2. 2 will be just fine.
Yeah? You're not coping as well,
No,
are you?
I would be like the
Are you 2 on each side?
down here.
Pardon?
2 on each side?
Yeah, it goes across, because what I'm trying to do, it's like a...
Oh, like
So I'm pulling
it goes through?
Yeah, I'm pulling the 2 edges of the cut together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you cut it off.
And then we cut it off. And we're done.
Now we just need to wipe it.
Yep, I need to clean that off, because I made a mess.
Pretty big mess.
Oh, not a big mess.
Yeah. Gets off pretty good, actually.
Yep.
Now,
Yeah, you're going to need to keep a Band-Aid on that for a couple of days until the skin heals a little bit, and it may ooze a bit for the first couple of days. As you can see, the skin's closed,
Yeah.
but it's going to ooze through that cut just a little bit, and that's normal.
and then... Oh yeah, I forgot what I was going to say.
The stitches, do they need to be pulled out by
They do, yeah.
by a doctor?
By a doctor or a nurse, or any walk-in clinic can take them out. You can come back here if you want to. You'll probably wait a little bit. So any walk-in clinic, like I said, can do the stitches.
Even in my own hospital?
Even your own family doctor, yeah.
Good.
And I'm going to put a little Band-Aid on that for you.
Na super, Lupi.
And I was here before when I got born.
When you get born?
Yeah, and I'm 6 years old now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well,
So a couple of years. There we go.
Alright. I don't have any happy face Band-Aids, so
Okay, that's okay.
just got these regular boring old elastoplasts.
Yeah, that's okay.
Well, I'm glad you...
How long is the Band-Aid still going to stay on?
Oh, until it falls off, or until it gets loose, or until you wash it and it needs to be replaced.
Probably fall off tonight.
Probably.
Can he go and have a bath or shower? Probably
Yeah,
not.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So leave this on while he's having the bath or shower.
Yeah.
And then it'll probably kind of peel off afterwards.
Okay.
Take it off, put a new one on.
Okay.
Do you want to pick it? And it doesn't have to be Elastoplast, it can be whatever you want.
Okay.
Any Band-Aid.
Okay, we should. Do you have an extra one for me?
A Band-Aid?
Yeah. Awesome. I think we don't have any at home. We should go to the docs.
Yeah, we don't.
A couple of these.
Okay, cool.
I'll get you through the next day or so.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right.
Na,
You all
super.
set?
Sagst du Danke dem Doktor?
Luca,
Yes.
how's your finger? Huh?
How much does this cost?
$29. Too much.
Yeah.
Well, he could get something like this if we would buy it from Luca's Christmas money from Ilse und Uli. Who's
Do
making
you
that?
know how to make this? Are you going to be putting it together for Luca? This one here. Claudia?
Just let me take a look at the directions here.